So we're having an open house on April 14th, which is a Saturday from 1 to 4 in the afternoon, with the idea that we're going to showcase to anyone who's interested the activities and the impacts that our college has for agriculture and families and our communities in New Mexico. So we're going to have poster displays from our graduate students. Our laboratories will be open for tours, and we hope that people will come out and see the great work that we're doing here in the college. We'll have quite a few of our labs open. We're standing in the Wildlife Museum in Knox Hall on our main campus. This will be one of the facilities that's open for a tour. We'll also have our Arthropod Museum where we have our insect collections. We'll also have the Plant Diagnostic Clinic, which is where we do plant disease diagnostics for clientele in the state of New Mexico. If you have a plant that you've been having a problem with, you can go there, ask questions, you can even bring a sample, and we'll look at it for you.
We have over 500,000 specimens in our collection, some dating back from 1850s or so we do have some very old specimens here. The Arthropod Museum is very important here on campus. It is a repository for a variety of specimens we have here that are found by different researchers and students all around the southwestern United States, as well as pretty much in other parts of the world as well. So they're always around us, they're always present with us. They have major impacts in our agriculture as well as our day-to-day lives, so they're very important to us.